Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipkart. You can go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Flipkart and you will enter. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.